push-button removal installation. Before starting a push-button removal installation procedure, make sure that the lamp capsule is in the delatched up position when you remove it from an alternate action switch. If the lamp capsule is not delatched up, when you remove it, the switch cannot operate. Then, open the circuit breaker of the circuit related to the push-button switch. Put the removal tool lamp capsule extractor in the notches on the side of the head of the push-button switch. Carefully pull the tool to remove the head of the push-button switch. The head stays attached to the body of the push-button switch by the rods that turn. Now you have to remove the body of the push-button switch. First, fully loosen the 2 screws of the body, but do not lock them. After, pull the head to remove the body. Before starting the installation of a push-button switch, clean and make an inspection of the component interface and of the adjacent area. Now, put the top mark in the up position and push the body of the push-button switch fully into its housing. Torque the 2 screws of the body of the push-button switch. Now, install the head in the body of the push-button switch. To do this, push the head until it touches the stop. To finish the installation task, close the circuit breaker of the circuit related to the push-button switch. After that, make sure that the work area is clean and clear of tools and other items.